was not expecting. Harder to shift up than to shift down. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 2 of me learning how to ride a motorcycle. If you haven't seen my first video, go ahead and check it out. I'll have it linked down below, but that is where I explain that I have no experience riding or no knowledge about motorcycles, but I ended up buying myself a motorcycle and riding it for the very first time. I would consider this video my first official ride because in that video I was just getting familiar with what it's like to be on the motorcycle and just the basic controls. In this video I'm going to be using the throttle, shifting gears, and going on longer stretches of road. First I want to say hi to all the new subscribers. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I was so shocked to see how many people were interested in my first video. I really appreciate all the support and the tips that you guys were giving me. I have gotten a number of comments about my gear or lack thereof. And yes, I know gear is very important. So before we get into the video of me riding, I just wanted to cover all the gear that I currently have. I know a few of you guys are also beginners too, and you're watching this journey as well, and I want to set a good example. So obviously the first thing I had to get was a full face helmet. The brand is Scorpion and it is matte black. A size extra small I found was perfect for my tiny little head. I really like it. It's super comfortable. It is DOT certified, which, you know, it has to be. Next thing I got were motorcycle gloves. Super important. I really like these. They have a lot of padding, and that's something that I was looking for. They have the knuckle padding here. They also have some on the fingers as well, and they have inside padding for the palm. I'll have everything linked below for you guys to check out in case any of you guys are curious. One thing I didn't realize with these gloves is that they're a bit short. They kind of stop right at the wrist. Hoping to find some that are a bit longer and kind of go up the arm a little bit. Don't know if those exist. I'm sure they do, but that's something that I think I'll look for in the future. All right, next is probably my favorite out of all the gear, a leather motorcycle jacket. It has shoulder padding, which I love. Super comfortable, surprisingly. I was debating if I should get this one or a mesh type of jacket. I'll probably end up getting both eventually down the road, but for now I just have this one. I don't know how good this leather will hold up if it's raining. Not that I plan on going out in the rain anytime soon, but it does rain a lot here, and I feel like there's going to be moments where I'm just stuck in the rain, and I would prefer a jacket that's waterproof. There's some that I saw online that I will also have linked down below in case you're interested in those, and then of course proper shoes. Another thing I got that was really cool is this helmet holder and jacket rack. You install it to the wall and it's super convenient. You can just put all your motorcycle stuff in that area. Thank you guys so much for your help. I appreciate all of you guys commenting about that and making sure that I am safe on the road. Let's get into the video. I'm going to be shifting gears for the very first time, which is nerve-wracking for me because that requires the throttle, which terrifies me. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Are you just recording?
I'm not recording.
You're just...
Oh wait, I am recording.
Okay.
So today, you are just gonna get comfortable being on the bike for a longer period of time than the 10-20 seconds that you were on before when you're going up and down the street. So we've got this beautiful, almost no traffic road, and it goes all the way up there, and then it actually ends at essentially a dead end, so then you can turn around and go all the way back.
Okay, wait, how do I turn this on? Oh, there we go. Yes. Okay.
Make sure, check what gear it's in. Was that a 1?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you gonna do?
Start.
You can start it in first, yeah, as long as your hand is on the what? Nice. Okay. Perfect. You got this. Have confidence. Great turn. Okay, how was that?
That was not harder to shift up than to shift down.
Is it like the amount of pressure? Like knowing how much? Or
Yeah, I just don't know.
Or is it with the throttle?
It's the throttle. I don't know how much to give it and how to roll off the clutch.
Yeah, you were giving it a lot. You'll get it. You're doing great. As I'm shifting, keep looking at my hands and see what they're doing. Seeing how it should be done will help so much.
This time, I'm going to do the clutch and shift at the same time and roll off at the same time.
Yes.
So like this motion.
Perfect.
And then I'm going to slowly release, and once this is almost released fully, I slowly
That's it.
do that.
That's exactly it.
Okay.
That's going to be so much smoother, I guarantee it.
Prior, I was not doing that. I was doing this. I don't know. I was doing something wet.
You're giving it the beans while the clutch was engaged.
And it was like jerking forward. Okay.
Yeah. Nice. That's it. Shifting unlocked. And not one over rev was heard. Just smooth, buttery shifting. So good. Stalls happen. So good. Much better. How did that feel? Your eyes are so big.
It was fine until there were.
No, I saw the car and you tried to. I like your hand on the hip, by the way. No, keep it there. It's great. No, I saw you tried turning without looking, and then you noticed the car was coming, and you wobbled a little. It's okay. It's totally okay. You were going like 0 miles an hour. They were going really slow. But good lesson, right? Always expect there to be a car. Like there's gonna be a cage somewhere around you, and they don't know it, but they're trying to kill you. So just expect that, like at all times. And you know, that was good that happened in the sense that you know how that feels.
Yeah.
Like great at low speed. But if you're going at any high speed or the cars are going at high speed, that's when, you know, you can not know what you're supposed to do and then dump the bike and this kind of stuff. So it's totally fine. You handled it really well.
Doing that was it.
That
stopped like
fixed it.
jerking.
Yeah.
And bucking.
It sounded great. It was buttery smooth.
Yeah. I did stall it.
It's okay. I
In
know.
first gear, when I'm trying to like make a little U-turn, I don't know if I should give it anything.
I mean, you can hold down the clutch if you have enough, you know, momentum to keep carrying it.
There were moments I didn't have enough momentum.
And that's when you just give it a little juice.
Yeah.
You're doing fine though. Like you're gonna stall it. I stalled it on the way over here because I was in the wrong gear. Those things happen. It's no big deal. You did great.
That was amazing.
Yeah.
I think I get it now.
Yeah,
Like,
I think it clicked.
yeah.
I think I said somewhere on the video like, shifting unlocked. You unlocked something today, so that's really good success. Great success.
Thank you guys so much for watching that video. I think next I want to try to do turns. I also want to practice stopping quickly in case I need to, like emergency stopping. So yeah, I appreciate you guys joining me on this journey. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.